Truly free, be stopped never through all that's happening.
Hey YouTube, it's Blue Jay here, and today, this is a UMB4 SMG4 fan video. Is Mario gets his PINGAS stuck in the washing machine. I don't know what's gonna happen. You know what? Let's just go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I love the intro. Gosh, it's so good.
9.
Oh my gosh.
7.
Okay. The washing machine. Oh no. Gosh, bro.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Yeah, Luigi knows what's up now because he's been through this. Bro, stop. Bro, can you just like open the door? Like, can you open the door of the washer? It's easy. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. How do you get...
Mamma
It hurts so much. That's such a Mario thing to say. You guys won't believe what happened to Mario. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is why I love these two. They understand the situation. Like, that's why these two are my favorites. That's why Mickey and Tara are my favorites. Bro, stop. I can't. Don't pull, girl. Home girl, Tari, please. No. That's not gonna work, bro.
His fingers really is stuck.
God damn.
Why do you guys keep laughing at Mario getting his PINGAS stuck?
Bro, stop.
Fingers stuck.
Stop.
I think it's only twice.
Stop, bro. Please stop saying that. Just open the door. It's better. Just open the door, bro. No. 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 We're not moving. No.
Hey, Psycho. Gotta help Mario out.
Bro, he ain't gonna have no kids today. He ain't gonna have no kids today if his Psycho does that.
I guess I know who to call.
Oh no.
Guys,
Bro.
how will we get up there?
Oh yeah.
Can't.
Bro, we.
All right, Mario, let's go. Bring it out.
Yeah, the man's gone, bro. The man's gone, bro.
Hey, Mario.
What's that?
There's some spaghetti.
Oh. Word? Oh no. Bro, I don't know if this is gonna work.
Mario out? And why put Mario right in front of my cafe?
I won't miss.
I'll take it from here.
Do you think?
You watch me.
I said I'll take it from.
Oh my gosh. Of course it's those. It's you. It's those guys. Bro, no, it's those guys. Oh my gosh, no. No. You just missed. You just missed. Oh.
What the?
Oh yeah, y'all messed up, bro.
Damn it, Swag. You blew up the cafe.
See, I stopped the invasion.
Yeah, but you destroyed the cafe. That means you sent everybody to a construction site, wherever they are.
Oh.
No, you ain't. You're still stuck.
Where are we now?
Some
Construction site.
Yeah, I knew it. That's a good reference. Same girl. That's a good reference. Oh my gosh.
Remember, hold scope this time.
Oh my gosh. No! No, please. I don't want it.
I give up.
Looks like Bob can't fix it.
So, oh my gosh. Bro.
We're not giving up yet.
No, stop saying that, Mario, please.
Let's go ahead. We
What is
have
it?
to
What are you
launch
testing?
into the excavator. Then pull it away.
Oh no. Oh no. No. Gosh.
I do it.
Just open the door, bro. It's not this serious. Just open the door. No, so me, Lord have mercy. Oh my
Can we
gosh.
just help Mario?
Can't just open the door. It's easy. Gosh, bro, just open the door. Oh my gosh. Goodbye tomorrow. You get to slice and bob. No. Oh, the death cube? Oh no. Oh, I guess I know what it is. Death cube and the washing machine.
Fight!
Oh no.
Stop it. Stop it.
Oh my
Okay?
gosh.
All right.
Bo just took the free monsters. Alright, bro. This is already amazing. This is amazing, man. I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this, man. I love this. This is really, really amazing. I love this. Oh my gosh, though. Bro, all they had to do, bro. First of all, I love this episode, bro, by the way. It's really great animation and like it's really well done, and I love everything. It feels like a classic episode. But bro, all they had to do is just open the door of the washing machine, bro. Like I know his I can't even I really want to say it, but if I say it, I'm gonna start laughing. Bro, his Pingas is stuck in the door. Dang it, bro, come on. Okay. And I like how Miggy and Tari notice the situation. Like that's how I love these two, bro. Like it's really like well known to like know how what's going on and stuff. Bro, it's really amazing. I love this. I love it. I just love it. I love it. And it's really amazing, and yeah, pretty great so far. And it's really well done, and I like the content. And so far, it's a great video, and I love it. It feels just like a classic video. And I think that's about it. So. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget our socials down below. And otherwise, I'll see you all next time. Toodles.
Waited magic disappears as she goes, missile as you look away, and no one knows. This power is a